Welcome to MrKhanMaths, and in this video we will be working on a popular examination topic on how to calculate the mean for group data presented to us in a frequency table. So let's look at an example. When we are finding the mean for group data, it is usually data which is continuous. Continuous data refers to data that can be measured. This data has values that are not fixed and have an infinite number of possible values. Examples of this being weight, time, and temperature. So in example 1, we have been given some data which displays money spent and its frequency. The question in an examination paper would ask you to calculate the estimated mean. As you may have noticed, the subject in this question, which is the money spent, has been put into class groups, therefore making any calculated mean an estimation, as we do not know the exact values in the class groups. When doing an examination paper, the wording and type of frequency table given is a hint on what steps you would take to answer the question. In order to work out the estimated mean, we will multiply the midpoint of each class group with the frequency and then divide this total by the total frequency. So I'm going to calculate the estimated mean by breaking this question down into 4 steps. Step 1 is to find the midpoint of each of my class groups. So the midpoint of 0 and 4 is 2, 4 and 8 is 6, 8 and 12 is 10. Now on to step 2. I'm now going to multiply my frequency with my midpoint. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20, 7 times 6 is equal to 42, and 3 times 10 is equal to 30. For step 3, I'm now going to find the total sum for both my frequency column and my estimated total column. So for my total frequency, I'm going to add 10 plus 7 plus 3, which equals to 20. And for the estimated total, I'm going to add 20 plus 42 plus 30, which gives me a total of 92. And finally, for step 4, I'm now going to input my total for my estimated column into my formula and divide it by my total frequency. So my estimated mean is going to be 92 divided by 20, which gives me an answer of 4.6. And there you have it. My estimated mean for example 1 is 4.6. Let's have a go at another example. As you can see, the subject in this question is different. However, I will follow the same steps as I did in example 1 to help me find the estimated mean. So for step 1, I'm going to find the midpoint of my class groups. So the midpoint of 0 and 10 is 5, 10 and 20 is 15, 20 and 30 is 25, 30 and 40 is 35, and 40 and 50 is 45. For step 2, I'm going to find my estimated total by multiplying my midpoint with the frequency. So 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 7 times 15 is equal to 105. 5 times 25 is equal to 125. 1 times 35 is equal to 35. And 1 times 45 is equal to 45. For step 3, I'm now going to find the total sum for both my frequency column and my estimated total column. So for my total frequency, I'm going to add 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, which gives me a total of 20. For my estimated total column, I'm going to add 30 plus 105 plus 125 plus 35 plus 45, which gives me a total of 340. And finally, for step 4, I'm now going to input my total for my estimated column into my formula and divide it by my total frequency. So my estimated mean is going to be 340 divided by 20, which is equal to 17. And there you have it. My estimated mean for example 2 is equal to 17. Now that you have seen my worked examples, I would like you to practice the steps I've shown you by attempting Mr. Khan's skills check questions. Here are Mr. Khan's skills check questions. Please press pause and have a go at the questions on your screen. Once you have completed the questions, press play to mark your answers. Here are the answers to Mr. Khan's skills check questions. See how you have got on by marking the questions you have done. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now and see you again soon.